Do you want to improve your English fluency with real conversations? Today, we will practice 100% useful dialogues for everyday life. You will learn step by step how to speak naturally, clearly, and confidently. These are conversations you can actually use anywhere in the world. Hello and welcome to Speak On. I'm here to help you speak English confidently, step by step, at the airport and travel.
Good morning. Can I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to New York.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
How many bags are you checking in?
Just one bag.
Please place it on the scale.
Sure, here you go.
Your bag is within the weight limit.
That's good to hear.
Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
The boarding gate is number 12.
Okay, I'll go there.
Boarding will begin at 9:30.
Thank you for the information.
Do you need help with customs?
No, I think I'll be fine.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you, I will.
Excuse me, is this the line for security?
Yes, you're in the right line.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please remove your shoes and belt.
Should I take my laptop out of the bag?
Yes, put it in a separate tray.
Can I bring water on the plane?
No, liquids are not allowed.
Oh, I see.
You can buy water after security.
Thank you for explaining.
No problem, you're welcome.
Excuse me, where is gate number 12?
It's down this hall to the left.
How far is it from here?
About a 5-minute walk.
Thank you for the directions.
Anytime. Safe travels.
Excuse me, is boarding started yet?
Not yet. Boarding will start soon.
Do you know how long the flight is?
Yes, it's about 8 hours.
That's a long flight.
Yes, but the service is good.
Do they serve meals on the flight?
Yes, dinner and breakfast will be served.
Do they provide headphones?
Yes, you will get free headphones.
Do you often travel by plane?
Yes, I travel every month.
That must be exciting.
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
What's your favorite destination?
I loved visiting Paris.
I'd like to visit Paris someday.
You should, it's beautiful. At the hotel and cafe.
Good evening. I'd like to check in.
Welcome. May I see your ID and reservation, please?
Yes, here is my passport and booking confirmation.
Thank you. Let me check.
Is my room ready now?
Yes, your room is ready.
Which floor is it on?
It's on the 3rd floor.
Do you have an elevator?
Yes, the elevator's on the left.
What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, it's free.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's written on your room keycard.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Excuse me, can I get an extra pillow?
Yes, I'll send one to your room.
Can I have some bottled water, too?
Certainly. I'll arrange it.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Excuse me, the air conditioner isn't working.
I'm sorry. I'll send maintenance right away.
How long will it take?
Just a few minutes.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
No problem, sir.
Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, it's on the 2nd floor.
What are the gym hours?
From 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, on the rooftop.
That sounds amazing.
It has a great city view.
Can I book a taxi from the hotel?
Yes, we can arrange it.
How much is a taxi to the airport?
About $30.
Please book one for tomorrow morning.
Sure. What time do you need it?
At 7 a.m., please.
Done. It's confirmed.
Thank you for arranging it.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, do you have a restaurant here?
Yes, it's on the ground floor.
Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 11 p.m.
Great, I'd like to have dinner.
Please follow me to your table.
Can I see the menu?
Of course. Here it is.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we have many.
I'll take the vegetable pasta.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, just water, please.
Sure. One water coming up.
How long will the food take?
About 15 minutes.
That's fine.
Please enjoy the bread while you wait.
Thank you, that's kind.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, may I have some salt?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
The pasta tastes really good.
I'm glad you like it.
Could I see the dessert menu?
Certainly. Here it is.
I'll take the chocolate cake.
Excellent choice.
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, here's your bill.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Perfect. I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card here.
Thank you. The payment is done.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Good morning. I'd like some coffee.
Do you want black coffee or with milk?
With milk, please.
Sugar?
Yes, just 1 spoon.
Here is your coffee.
It smells great.
Enjoy your drink.
Excuse me, is there a cafe nearby?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Do they serve breakfast there?
Yes, they have great breakfast.
Thank you for recommending it.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Hello, may I get a table for 2?
Yes, please follow me.
Can we sit by the window?
Sure, this table is free.
Do you have today's specials?
Yes, grilled chicken and soup.
I'll try the soup.
Would you like bread with that?
Yes, please.
I'll bring it right away.
The service is very nice here.
Thank you. We try our best.
Can I get some extra napkins?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, of course.
Here's the cash.
Thank you. Here's your change.
The food was excellent.
We're happy you enjoyed it.
Shopping and street conversations.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $20.
Do you have it in a larger size?
Yes, let me check.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
The size fits well.
It looks good on you.
Do you have this in another color?
Yes, we have blue and black.
I'll take the black one.
Good choice.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Do you have any discounts?
Yes, 10% off today.
That's great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where can I find shoes?
On the 2nd floor.
Do you sell running shoes?
Yes, right over there.
What size are these?
Size 9.
Can I try size 10, please?
Certainly. One moment.
These shoes are comfortable.
They're very popular.
How much are they?
$50.
Do you have any sales coming soon?
Yes, next weekend.
I might come back then.
That's a good idea.
Excuse me, how much is this bag?
It's $35.
Is it leather?
Yes, genuine leather.
Do you have a warranty?
Yes, 1-year warranty.
That's very good.
Many customers like it.
Can you give me a discount?
I can give $5 off.
Okay, I'll take it.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, do you sell souvenirs?
Yes, right here.
How much is this keychain?
Just $3.
I'll take 2 of them.
Great, I'll pack them for you.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where is the nearest supermarket?
It's 2 blocks away.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it's only 5 minutes.
Thank you for the directions.
Anytime.
Excuse me, do you know where the bus stop is?
Yes, it's across the street.
Which bus goes to the station?
Bus number 10.
How much is the ticket?
$2.
Can I buy the ticket on the bus?
Yes, from the driver.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, do you know a good restaurant nearby?
Yes, there's one on the next corner.
Do they serve local food?
Yes, it's very popular.
Thank you for the suggestion.
Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, what time does the museum open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
And when does it close?
at 6 p.m.
How much is the ticket?
$10 per person. Do students?
Get a discount.
Yes, 50% off.
That's great.
Yes, many students visit.
Excuse me, can I take pictures inside?
Only without flash.
Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, is this the train station?
Yes, it is.
Where can I buy a ticket?
At the counter over there.
Do you sell tickets online too?
Yes, on our website.
That's convenient.
Yes, many people use it.
What time is the next train to London?
At 3:45 p.m.
How long is the journey?
About 2 hours.
Thank you for the information.
No problem.
Excuse me, can you help me find this address?
Sure, let me see.
Is it far from here?
No, just a short walk.
Which direction should I go?
Go straight, then turn right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Excuse me, how much is this hat?
$15.
Do you have a smaller size?
Yes, try this one.
This size is perfect.
It suits you well.
I'll take it.
Excellent choice.
Excuse me, how much is this scarf?
It's $10.
Is it made of cotton?
Yes, 100% cotton.
That's very nice.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take one.
Thank you very much.
Restaurant, cafe, directions, and small talk practice.
Table for two, please.
Right this way, please.
Can I see the menu?
Here's the menu.
What's today's special?
We have grilled chicken with rice.
That sounds good.
Would you like to order it?
Yes, one grilled chicken.
Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Certainly.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Excuse me, can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is on the receipt.
The food was delicious.
I'm glad you liked it.
Can I have the bill, please?
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Can we sit outside?
Yes, we have a patio.
Is there shade outside?
Yes, under the umbrellas.
Perfect. Let's sit there.
I'll bring your order shortly.
Could I get extra napkins?
Of course.
Do you serve coffee?
Yes, we do.
One cappuccino, please.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Coming right up.
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Go straight, then turn left.
Is it far from here?
About 10 minutes on foot.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, just across the street.
Which bus goes to the city center?
Bus number 12.
How often does it run?
Every 15 minutes.
Perfect. I'll wait for it.
Safe travels.
Hello, is this seat taken?
No, please sit down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, that's nice.
And you?
I'm from India.
Beautiful country.
Have you been there?
Not yet, but I want to.
You should visit someday.
I would love to.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Which country do you like most?
Italy for the food.
That sounds amazing.
It really is.
Do you speak other languages?
I speak French.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
I'm learning English.
You're doing great.
Thanks for the encouragement.
Keep practicing every day.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like painting.
That's creative.
Yes, it relaxes me.
Do you paint often?
Once a week.
Do you sell your paintings?
Sometimes.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
I like photography.
That's also artistic.
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Maybe we can share ideas.
Excuse me, is there a pharmacy near here?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Is it open now?
Yes, until 10 p.m.
Thank you.
Anytime?
Excuse me, can I buy a metro ticket here?
Yes, at the machine.
How much is one ticket?
$2.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Can you recommend a good cafe? Yes, Cafe Aroma is nice.
Where is it?
Around the corner.
What do they serve?
Coffee, tea, and snacks.
Sounds perfect.
You'll like it.
Do they have desserts?
Yes, very tasty ones.
Great. I'll go there.
Enjoy your time.